Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to align goals with your values using mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you create goals that are deeply connected to your core values, ensuring that your path forward is both meaningful and fulfilling. When your goals align with your values, you feel more motivated, focused, and energized to pursue them. At mp3.Academy, we provide the tools and insights to help you identify your values, set goals that reflect them, and achieve long-term success while staying true to what matters most. Let's explore how aligning your goals with your values can transform your personal and professional life. Learning how to align your goals with your values is a powerful way to create a meaningful and fulfilling life. At mp3.Academy, we understand that when your goals are in harmony with your deepest values, you are more motivated, focused, and driven to achieve them. Setting goals that reflect who you truly are allows you to live with intention and purpose, helping you avoid the frustration that comes from pursuing objectives that don't align with your core beliefs. Our platform is here to guide you through the process of aligning your goals with your values so you can move forward with clarity and confidence. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. The first step in this process is to gain clarity about your values. Your values represent what is most important to you in life, whether it's family, health, creativity, or personal growth. At mp3.Academy, we help you identify your core values through reflective exercises that encourage self-awareness. Once you have a clear understanding of your values, it becomes easier to create goals that resonate with your true self. This alignment ensures that every action you take leads to greater fulfillment as you are pursuing what genuinely matters to you. When your goals are not aligned with your values, it can lead to frustration and burnout. You might find yourself working toward goals that feel hollow or unimportant, which makes it difficult to stay motivated. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of checking whether your current goals reflect your values. If they don't, we guide you in revising them so that your efforts are directed toward what truly brings you joy and satisfaction. This process allows you to reframe your goals in a way that keeps you energized and passionate about your journey. One of the most effective ways to ensure your goals align with your values is to regularly evaluate your progress. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to periodically assess whether your daily actions and long-term objectives reflect your values. This ongoing reflection helps you stay on track and make adjustments when necessary. If you find that your actions are drifting away from your core beliefs, you can realign your goals to stay true to yourself. By doing so, you ensure that every step you take brings you closer to a life that is both meaningful and aligned with your values. Having goals that align with your values also helps you make better decisions. When faced with choices, you can use your values as a guiding compass to determine which path is best for you. At mp3.Academy, we guide you in using your values as a framework for decision-making. Whether it's choosing a new career opportunity, setting personal boundaries, or pursuing a new project, aligning your goals with your values allows you to make decisions that support your long-term happiness and success. Moreover, aligning your goals with your values helps you prioritize your time and energy. When your goals are value-driven, you can focus on what truly matters without getting distracted by tasks that don't contribute to your overall well-being. At mp3.Academy, we provide tools and strategies to help you prioritize your goals in a way that aligns with your values. This approach ensures that your time is spent on activities that bring you closer to your desired outcomes, creating a more efficient and fulfilling daily routine. Another benefit of aligning your goals with your values is that it fosters authenticity in your life. When you pursue goals that reflect your true values, you are living in alignment with your authentic self. At mp3.Academy, we help you embrace this authenticity by encouraging you to set goals that honor who you are, rather than who others expect you to be. This authenticity not only brings personal satisfaction, but also strengthens your relationships with others, as you are able to communicate your needs and aspirations with clarity and confidence. Additionally, when your goals are aligned with your values, you are more likely to experience long-term success. Goals that are rooted in your values tend to have deeper meaning, which makes it easier to stay committed to them over time. At mp3 Academy, we emphasize the importance of connecting your goals to your values in order to build resilience and persistence. Even when challenges arise, the alignment between your goals and values provides a strong foundation that keeps you moving forward with determination. Aligning your goals with your values also allows you to experience a greater sense of purpose in your daily life. When your goals are value-driven, every action feels purposeful, and you can see how your efforts are contributing to a larger vision. At mp3 Academy, we guide you in defining goals that are not only achievable, but also deeply connected to your purpose. This sense of purpose acts as a powerful motivator, helping you overcome obstacles and stay focused on the bigger picture. In conclusion, learning how to align your goals with your values is essential for creating a life that is both fulfilling and successful. At mp3 Academy, we provide the tools and guidance needed to help you define your values, set meaningful goals, and ensure that your daily actions reflect what matters most to you. By aligning your goals with your values, you can live with greater authenticity, make better decisions, and experience long-term success. Let mp3 Academy help you navigate this process so you can live a life that is truly aligned with your deepest values and aspirations.